What's up, Sushi Lords family? Namaste and greeting from Sushman Santos. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you 5+2 cucumber carving ideas for sushi and sashimi decorations. Not only for sushi and sashimi, we can use this cucumber decoration and cucumber carving ideas for any kinds of food and salad decoration also. Let's go. I have the half cucumber. So if you are beginners, if you want to really learn how to cut cucumber fan for any kinds of food, salad and sushi decoration, that video is for you. 5 different things but very simple. Okay, I'll cut in half, not half in, I'm gonna cut in side. That means you can see here, imagine that is the full cucumber, doesn't matter, that will be a 1/3. Okay, then I'll cut half. Then take the seeds. These seeds I am not going to take out, okay? Now I am going to use the paper to dry it. You can ask me why you are drying with paper. That is the most important things. If you are working in a chopping board, it cannot move. It cannot be a slippery if you dry by the paper, okay? Nice. First one is very simple, okay? I'm gonna cut from here, the bigger one, okay? This one also you can make, but this one will be a little bit small, so bigger one. Yes, like this. It will go here. Now, give a small slice here, okay? Now, you can see here. Yes, very simple way. If you want to cut here, it's okay. That is the first techniques. Okay, let's start the second easy way. Okay, that is the most important things is use always that tip. Okay, not from like this. If you cut long stripes, same as like the nigiri neta, it will be hard for you. So always use just that tip, okay? Like this. Then very slowly, if you are cutting first time, cut and push there, cut, push. Very slowly. If you are beginner, okay? And when you are like a more experienced, you can cut fast. Like this. When you are cutting first time, always very simple and slowly. Yes. You can use directly with this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. At least 10 pieces is good. Yes. Okay. That is the second easy way to cut cucumber for sushi and food and salad decorations. Now I will cut from here in the same process, okay? 1, 2, very simply. I'm cutting very slowly. I want to show you, that's why. Okay, we use the same process of the before one, but now I'm gonna turn another side. You can use like this way also, but I'm gonna use that side. Yes, it looks like this ones. That is the third one. Okay, let's go for the fourth one. You will cut that angle cut, okay, like this. It will go garbage and angle cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, you cut the angle way. Now very simply you can use like this. No need to do anything, okay? Now I'm gonna teach you the fifth way. You're gonna cut the same process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 also. Okay, the same in the cross way. Now you will turn that side and you're gonna cut cross way. So it will be a peacock fan. Now look, it's very simple, very easy way. That's the fifth way. Let's go another once. Just I want to teach you 5 different things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the same process, just turning around. That is the same process, turning another side to cut, and that is the very simple way. But let's learn a little bit more. Now I will cut this skin from here to here. Yes. Now the process seems like a first one. Yes, you can see here it looks like this. That's the 6th way, and let's learn more one. Okay, that is the advantage. Give the little chunk here. Yes, now the same process. Always you will be able to see I'm using this tip. Okay, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different ways to cut cucumber fan for sushi garnish, sashimi garnish, any kinds of food and salad decorations. How is it? If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And if you subscribe, I'll be happy and I'll be motivated to make more videos. I hope you're gonna subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. See you in the next video.